Welcome to A-ZFloraJourney, your gateway to the breathtaking world of plants and flowers. I'm thrilled to embark on this botanical adventure with all of you. On this channel, we'll delve into the lush realms of nature, exploring the diverse tapestry of flora that adorns our planet, from the delicate petals of a rose to the towering branches of ancient trees. Each plant has a story to tell, and here we'll unravel their mysteries together. Join me as we wander through vibrant gardens, uncover fascinating plant facts, and learn how to cultivate your very own green oasis. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just beginning to discover the wonders of nature, there's something here for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enchanting journey through the A-Z flora. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of our botanical escapades. Let's sow the seeds of curiosity and let our love for plants bloom. Welcome to A-ZFloraJourney. As we embark on our botanical expedition through A-ZFloraJourney, let's take a moment to appreciate the profound impact that ornamental plants have on our lives. From enhancing the beauty of our surroundings to contributing to our well-being in countless ways, these green companions play a vital role in our daily existence. In this video, we've explored the mesmerizing world of ornamental plants, uncovering their significance in different aspects of our lives. Whether adorning our homes with vibrant blooms, purifying the air we breathe, or providing a peaceful sanctuary in our bustling lives, ornamental plants offer us myriad benefits beyond mere aesthetics. Indoors, houseplants not only add a touch of green to our decor but also improve indoor air quality, reduce stress levels, and boost our overall mood and productivity. They serve as natural air purifiers, transforming our living spaces into healthier and more harmonious environments. Beyond their visual appeal, ornamental plants hold cultural, medicinal, and symbolic significance in various societies around the world. Let's watch this video to learn more about the magical ornamental plants. As we continue our journey through the A to Z of flora, let's celebrate the beauty, diversity, and importance of ornamental plants in enriching our lives and connecting us to the natural world. Join me in exploring the wonders of these botanical treasures as we cultivate a deeper appreciation for the remarkable role they play in shaping our world. Let's discover the profound impact of ornamental plants on mental and emotional well-being. Scientific studies reveal their power to transform our lives and spaces. Stress reduction through green companions. Calming presence. Plants create a soothing environment, lowering cortisol levels and blood pressure. Mindful care. Tending to plants promotes mindfulness, reducing anxiety and mental strain. Natural rhythm. Observing plant growth fosters patience and a sense of life's natural pace. Mood enhancement. A colorful affair. Visual stimulation. Vibrant colors and textures stimulate positive emotions and enhance mood. Olfactory delight. Pleasant scents from flowers and foliage trigger happiness and relaxation responses. Tactile connection. Touching soft leaves or petals provides a grounding, calming sensory experience. Boosting cognitive performance. Attention restoration. Plants provide micro breaks, allowing the mind to reset and refocus. Air quality improvement. Cleaner air from plants enhances cognitive function and mental clarity. Creativity catalyst. Natural elements inspire innovative thinking and problem-solving abilities. The relaxation response. Biophilic design. Incorporating plants in spaces triggers innate connections with nature, promoting relaxation. Sensory engagement. Multisensory plant experiences activate the parasympathetic nervous system, inducing calmness. Visual softening. Plants soften harsh lines in built environments, creating a more soothing atmosphere. Bridging the nature gap. Nature's nook in the city. Indoor plants bring nature's essence into concrete jungles, satisfying biophilia needs. Seasonal connection. Plants mark natural cycles, keeping us attuned to nature's rhythms. Micro-wilderness. Even small plant collections can create a sense of exploration and wonder. Horticultural therapy. Healing through plants. Planting improves fine motor skills and concentration. Pruning eliminates unnecessary confusion, allowing for clearer thinking and improved decision making. Harvesting offers a sense of closure and satisfaction, allowing one to move forward with renewed energy. Plants as emotional anchors. Companionship. Plants provide a sense of companionship, reducing feelings of loneliness, offering a sense of calm and order. Caring for plants creates routines, providing stability during uncertain times. Personal growth. Nurturing plants mirrors personal growth, fostering self-reflection and development. The science behind plant power. Some plants increase negative ion levels, potentially improving mood and energy. Plant release compounds boost immune function and reduce stress hormones. Discover the magic of indoor plants. These green companions not only beautify your home, but also symbolize wealth and good fortune. In the next episode, we will explore how these botanical wonders can transform your space into a haven of prosperity. As we continue our journey through the A to Z of flora, let's celebrate ornamental plants' beauty, diversity, and importance in enriching our lives and connecting us to the natural world. Subscribe now to learn how to cultivate your own green oasis and enhance your well-being. Let's grow together